How to fix WhatsApp notification sound not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down and make sure to increase the notification sound slider. Now simply go back. Now tap on apps, then go to app management. Now search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on manage notifications. Now simply enable this toggle. Now make sure to disable the toggle for set as silent. Also enable the toggle for ring and vibrate. Now simply go back. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Again simply go back. Now restart WhatsApp. I hope this would fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.